Hello everyone and welcome back to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we will learn 10 important HVAC tools MCQs that are very useful for beginners, students, and AC technicians. These questions can help you in interviews, fieldwork, and HVAC training classes. So let's start today's HVAC tools quiz. MCQ 1. Which tool is used to measure refrigerant pressure in an AC system? A. Hammer. B. Manifold gauge set. C. Drill machine. D. Pipe cutter. Correct answer. B. Manifold gauge set. MCQ 2. Which tool is used to remove moisture and air from refrigerant lines? A. Vacuum pump. B. Clamp meter. C. Torch light. D. Multimeter. Correct answer. A. Vacuum pump. MCQ 3. Which tool is mainly used to measure electrical current in HVAC systems? A. Gas cylinder. B. Pipe bender. C. Clamp meter. D. Fin comb. Correct answer. C. Clamp meter. MCQ 4. Which HVAC tool is used for cutting copper pipes? A. Pipe cutter. B. Vacuum pump. C. Screwdriver. D. Pliers. Correct answer. A. Pipe cutter. MCQ 5. Which tool is used to create flare ends on copper pipes? A. Hammer. B. Flaring tool. C. Wrench. D. Allen key. Correct answer. B. Flaring tool. MCQ 6. Which tool is used to detect gas leakage in an AC system? A. Leak detector. B. Vacuum pump. C. Pipe wrench. D. Drill machine. Correct answer. A. Leak detector. MCQ 7. Which tool is used to bend copper pipes without damaging them? A. Pipe bender. B. Measuring tape. C. Screwdriver. D. Hammer. Correct answer. A. Pipe bender. MCQ 8. Which electrical tool is used to measure voltage, resistance, and continuity? A. Vacuum pump. B. Fin comb. C. Multimeter. D. Pipe cutter. Correct answer. C. Multimeter. MCQ 9. Which tool is used to straighten condenser or evaporator fins? A. Fin comb. B. Hammer. C. Torch. D. Pliers. Correct answer. A. Fin comb. MCQ 10. Which tool is commonly used to tighten flare nuts during AC installation? A. Adjustable wrench. B. Paintbrush. C. Vacuum gauge. D. Cutter knife. Correct answer. A. Adjustable wrench. These were 10 important HVAC tools MCQs for beginners and technicians. Learning these basic HVAC tools is very important for AC installation, troubleshooting, and maintenance work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel for more HVAC training videos and MCQs. Thanks for watching and keep learning HVAC skills every day.